From time to time, you get to update your device. Maybe you get a new model of your car or a device. The Old Testament had so many benefits, and one of those benefits is God with us. But in the New Testament, we don't just have God with us, we have God in us. But the beautiful thing is this: even though God lives in you, He doesn't stop being with you. In the New Testament, you have both benefits constantly at every point in time. God is in you and God is with you. Discover more in today's Rhapsody of Realities. I want you to help me in the sponsorship of the Braille copy of Rhapsody of Realities. There are many who are visually impaired all around the world, and a copy of the Braille Rhapsody of Realities is 5,000 naira. I want you today to help me. Click on the link and do that today. If you want more, just click I want to partner. God bless you. Love you.